afternoon, depending on where you are. I hope you've had a good day. Anyway, I missed you guys. Sorry I couldn't do any video yesterday, but I'm back here today again. Home in a beautiful environment, close to nature. How wonderful will it be to have a garden like this? Plant your vegetables, your fruits, your berries, and you can easily go and pluck it whenever you need it. It will be amazing. It will be a life to live for. It will be great to have something like this. For this to be like your back garden, or for this to be like just near your home, so you can do all that whenever you need it, whenever you need your vegetable fresh from your farm, you go and grab it and you take that and use it to nourish your system. How good would that feel? I would love to have that, but I know it's not that easy for us to do that because we don't live in the countryside, for one, but we're all living in the cities. So it's not possible for us to grow our vegetables, for us to grow our fruits ourselves, our berries ourselves, for us to have those plants ourselves, and to grab it whenever you need it, to just go to your farm, get it, put it in your pot, cook it, eat it. It will be good for us to have that. But we don't have that. But you know the amazing thing? We're not losing out. Completely we're not losing out. Because someone has thought of, they've thought about it, thought about how difficult it is for us to get our food, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits and everything, and decided to put them in capsules for us to have them whenever we need it, for us to have it all day, all the time, and feel great, and have the good health that we deserve. Juice Plus, that's what they've done. That's what Juice Plus has done for me and for you. They've put these vegetables, these fruits, these berries in capsules, and then we can use it. We can have them on a daily basis. I'm not talking about one vegetable or two. I'm talking about 30. You heard me, 30. Yes, that's what we have here. That's what we have in capsules. Over 30 fruits, vegetables, and berries. And just see how nice it is to be outdoor, to be in this beautiful garden, enjoying the fresh air. You can't compare this with air conditioning. It's not the same. It's not the same when you're in the car and you're using the air conditioner in the car. Me, for once, I love fresh air. I love fresh air all the time. When I'm driving, I prefer to just wipe out my glasses and then get the air rather than just using AC. Anything natural, I'm all for it. Nature is the best. So that's why Juice Plus is the best. Supplements. Some people will say, I'm already on vitamins, I'm taking this, I'm taking that, but they're not the same at all. They are not the same. Because, see my baby, she's getting on. She's on. She loves the products, so she's saying hello to everyone. You see? Juice Plus. That's what Juice Plus has done for us. You kind of want to enjoy the best nature has to offer. Vitamins are vitamins, but Juice Plus is supplements. Plant-based, totally. Everything is plant-based. No artificial. No preservatives. No aroma. GMO free. Gluten free. Lactose free. Amazing products. And you see the results. As soon as you start taking this product, you start seeing the result. You start seeing the changes in your life, in your body, in your energy level, in everything about you. You start feeling good with yourself. You start doing things, you would have loved to do before, but you couldn't do it because, you don't have the right energy level. You're always feeling tired, or because you're not at your maximum best. Juice Plus is offering you the opportunity to live life at its best. That is what Juice Plus is giving you. Do you want to feel well again? Juice Plus is here for you. It's here to rejuvenate you. It's here to nourish your system. It's here. It's here for your heart. It's here for your gums. It's here for your teeth. It's here for everything. It's here for those cramps you're healing on your legs, your knees hurting and everything. Juice Plus is here for you. Juice here is here for your cholesterol level. Because if you have the right amount of nutrients in your system, I'll tell you, you don't have needs for medications. You don't need to be taking medications all the time because you'll be taking your vegetables, your berries, your fruits. Totally plant-based products. And you know what? Do you remember? Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, yes. Do you remember how many fruits you'll be having? Okay? When you are taking Juice Plus, do you remember the fruits you'll be having? When you are having the fruit blend. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yes, they'll be having apple. Oh, yes. Peaches. Oh, yes. Cranberry, orange, papaya, acerola cherry, pineapple, prawn, date, beets. That's all you'll be getting from this. So each time you take this capsule, look at all the things you're having. You'll be getting your apple. This is not about I'm having this. No. Because there's no way you're going to have all those fruits in one day. But with this, you'll be getting all that. And with the berries, you remember what you'll be having. Each time you're having this, you'll be getting your raspberry, your bilberry, your blueberry, your cranberry, your pomegranate. You'll be getting your Concord grape, your blackcurrant, your blackberry, elderberry, artichoke, and cocoa. That's all you'll be getting from this product. Okay? Who wouldn't want this? Tell me. Who wouldn't want this? And with the vegetables, you'll be getting broccoli, parsley, tomato, carrots, garlic, beets, spinach, cabbage, oat bran, rice bran, kale. You'll be getting all that from this product. And don't forget our omega products. Omega, you will say, she keeps talking about the premium capsule and omega. Yes, because you know what? Everybody needs this product. Yes, we have the other products for weight loss. We have the other products for natural energy, the lift. We have all of them. But these ones, every person, you might say, okay, I don't need to lose weight. But don't forget, blood pressure does not know weight. Neither does it know height. Cholesterol knows no weight nor height. So it doesn't matter what weight you are. These products are given. Everybody needs it. And don't forget that whenever you get these premium capsules, if you've got kids, you'll be getting them free for your children. What company thinks about, the family as a package? You thought about the children and then the adult. That's what Juice Plus has done. It's not just the parents looking good, feeling good. Because if the children are not feeling good, it impacts on the parents. It impacts on their ability to go out and do whatever you want to do. It impacts on your ability to go to work. If your children are not sleeping, you are not sleeping either. So you find out that, Juice Plus has thought about this, how they can impact on the whole family. Called a healthy start for the family. Healthy start, that's what it is. Because if everybody is healthy, then the family will definitely be happy. Everybody will be happy. And you can go out there and achieve whatever you want to achieve. Do whatever you want to do. Go and do your business and be able to feed your family. Take good care of your children. If your children are out of school, you can't go nowhere because you have to stay back and look after them. So the health of the kids are very important. So you get the chewables. And also, if you're like me, some of you are like me. Some people have told me, oh, I can't swallow, anything medication. But remember, you need to get it into your head. Start thinking about it like that. These are not medications. These are just fruits. These are just vegetables. These are just your berries. If you start thinking about it, because that's how I overcame my own. Because I struggle with taking anything called medication, even when I'm sick. I'm known for putting them under my bed when I was little. So now, but I'm able to take it. You can take them one by one. You can take them in twos. You don't have to swallow everything at once. But if you're still saying I can't take capsules, why not go for the chewables? You can get the premium capsules in chewables, and you can have them. That's what they give to the kids, and they love them. My children absolutely love them. Sweet. You can even use it as sweet, because I use it as sweet. You do this and you get your sweet, and they love it. So you can use that if you're an adult and you're struggling with swallowing the capsules. But then if you think about it that you're eating more vegetables, you're eating more fruits, and you're eating more berries, then it shouldn't be a problem. You'll be able to swallow it. Back to omega. Omega. 5 omegas in one. Imagine that. Each time you take a capsule, don't forget you can chew the omega if you want. You can just put it in your tongue and chew it. You don't have to swallow it. Depends on what you want. 5 omegas in one. When you take this, you're getting omega 3, omega 5, omega 6, omega 7, and omega 9. Just one capsule giving you that. Can you beat that? Imagine what you will be doing. The good is you're kind of equipping your body with. Imagine you want your body to be on top speed, Formula 1 level. That's what your body will be giving you. Because when you have this omega, my friends, you'll be able to do whatever. Run when they say run. In fact, you'll be flying when they say run. Do you want to fly? Grab your omega, grab your premium capsule. And this omega, like I said, is totally plant-based. Contains pomegranate seed oil, sea buckthorn berry oil, raspberry seed oil, tomato seed oil, safflower seed oil, and algae oil. You see, I said it before, it's GMO free. Free from preservatives, gluten free. These are just totally plant-based, and no fish oil in the omega-3. There's no fish oil. What are you waiting for? Have you ordered your product yet, if I may ask? Oh yes, have you ordered your product? You need to grab your product, especially now. We need to build up your immune system. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to take good care of ourselves. We can't take risks with our body. Imagine what Juice Plus can do for you. Look at what Juice Plus will do for you. It supports healthy gum. Those are your gums. You don't have to be running to dentists all the time. Yeah? Boost your immune system. That's very, very important. It is. I can't overemphasize how important it is now. You want to be able to stand it when COVID comes. You can fight back, or any other infection for that matter. The flu, the seasonal flu, every other thing. But if your immune system is ready for action, if anything is coming, you bounce back. Come on, hit it back. You won't be touch and grab, touch and grab. If you touch anything, you grab it. No, you'll be able to fight back. You have to equip yourself, equip your body to fight its own battle. Not every time, whenever you call GP, don't you know number this? It's not, in fact, they even know your address as a customer for the GPs. You want to take good care of yourself, we all need to take good care of ourselves. Clear skin. Who wouldn't love clear skin? Everybody will love clear skin. There's a lot these capsules can do for you. The question is, do you want to enjoy the benefits of these capsules? And I know you would want to. I'm enjoying it already. Would you like to enjoy it? Why not place your order now? You want to be the person you've been created to be. You want to be the best version of yourself. The best to you. Do you want to be the best to you? I know you want. I know everybody does. So why not grab your product? Why wait? What are you waiting for? What's the delay? Why not make that decision now and prevent unnecessary visit to the hospital? Because those visits can be unnecessary. If you take good care of yourself now, then you wouldn't need to. This product will help your pulmonary function. It will improve your sleep. It's not the one you sleep 1 hour, wake up again, and if anything passes you, you wake up. This one you sleep, even if there's something, you wouldn't know. You will sleep like a baby. You know when kids are sleeping like this, if you fed a baby very well, the baby will sleep till when it's hungry again. You will sleep like that. When was the last time you slept that way? You will hit your head on the pillow and you're gone. You sleep like a child. Strengthens nails and hair. Relieves inflammation. Balances hormones. Reduces oxidative stress and aids digestion. I can testify to that. I tell you. All this pain, joint pains here. I tell it, I've said it before. I used it when I was pregnant. I started using this product when I was pregnant. And immediately, I received those benefits. I enjoyed those benefits. You know? So my friends, what are you waiting for? Remember, my website is ifilove1.juiceplus.com, and it's Indigo Freddy Yankee Lima Oscar Victor Echo 1.juiceplus.com. Yes, Indigo Freddy Yankee Lima Oscar Victor Echo 1.juiceplus.com. Order your product now. Order now. Do not delay. And you can enjoy the benefits as every other person. There's a lot of testimonial. Go on YouTube, go anywhere. You will see people who have used this product testifying about the benefit, the health benefits that come from this product. And don't forget, would you like to join my team? Would you like extra income, extra source of income? A side business? Would you like to be your own boss? Are you a stay-at-home mom? Would you like another source of income? Ifilove is here for you. Come and join Team Love and let us build our business together. I don't know what your plans are, depending on what you want to achieve. But whatever it is, we can work that out. You can build your own business. Send me a message, DM me, call me on Messenger, and we can talk. Drop me a line and let's chat. Visit my website. Go check out these products. Get in touch with me, and then I can help you, and you'll be on your way to becoming your own boss. I love you all. Take good care of yourself. Stay safe, and remember, you can unlock your potentials in this lockdown. All you need is a can-do attitude. Just say yes now, and the rest will be testimony. Don't forget, good health is equals to wealth. And achievers are believers. If you believe, you can achieve. I'm only inspiring healthy living. You can join me to do the same. I love you all. You stay well and take good care of yourself. I'll speak to you later. Enjoy nature with me.